Guys, welcome to lecture 2 of section 2. In this section we want to create the desired logo on all objects as well as the holder. First of all, we create a text by pressing the Shift and A keys and enter the edit mode. Then we type the name of the desired logo, and the first thing about the text is that we select option A or data from the properties section. Then from the alignment paragraph we set the horizontal option to the center, and we also set the vertical to the middle. So we need a mesh for engraving logo on holder surface. So by right clicking we select the convert to mesh option, and from the lower left part we activate the cube origin option. We get a duplicate of the logo and enter the edit mode, and then we rotate the logo 90 degrees in the X direction and move it forward on the holder, and we want to place it vertically. So we rotate it 90 degrees in the Y direction. Then by pressing the S key we make it smaller and place its origin in the middle. Also by pressing the Shift key and S the cursor is selected, and then select solidify from the modifiers section and make it thickness as needed, and then apply it. Then what you see has irregular meshes, so we select the decimate from the modifiers and choose a planar and apply it, which causes 253 faces to be correct. As you can see, we have better meshes in the edit mode section, and by pressing the M key we activate merge and select the distance option. We enter a number of about 4000, which removed extra 103 vertices. Now we select the holder and create a boolean and select the logo from the object section and place it in right place. Then we click apply, then we hide the logo and we create it as an engraving on the holder. In the following we are going to put the logo as an engraving form for the rest of our objects. So get a duplicate of the original logo and rotate it 90 degrees in the X direction, and enter the edit mode and make it smaller by pressing the S key, and move it down a bit, place it on the first object, which is a spoon. Select solidify from the modifiers section and adjust the ratio of the object. We give the desired volume to it and apply it, and also select the decimate option from modifiers and click on the planar option, then apply it. So just like the previous object, in the edit mode section we merge by pressing the M key, and we select the distance option and enter the desired number according to the size of the logo, where I entered the number 0.0009, so removed 162 vertices. Then by right clicking I selected shade auto smooth and select the spoon and apply it to subdivision surface. Then select boolean from the modifiers section and select DMA's logo object. As you can see on the spoon, due to the boolean modifier, the meshes are in a state of confusion, and it has a deform state, which can be solved by right clicking and reactivating shade auto smooth. In the following we will get some duplicate of this logo. We repeat the same steps on the knife and fork. Now we must make some change for the chopsticks. So first we make the logo smaller and place the origin and cursor in the middle. Then we enter the edit mode, and by pressing the M key we set the merge by distance to the 100ths, and a very important point, this is that in solid mode, by pressing the control key and A, and then selecting apply all transform, we apply all the items, and now select the logo and select from the section modifiers, deforms, select the simple deform option, and set it the axis part to Z, and also select the bend option, and by changing the degree number to 134 we will create the appropriate and desired mode. Then we will apply it, and by moving it we create the right place on the chopsticks. And now we create a boolean from the modifier section and select the logo and apply it. So another important point should be mentioned here, which is that by selecting the chopsticks we enter the edit mode, and by pressing the control key and R we create several numbers of loop cuts on it, and in the area of the logo we add a few more loop cuts for a better display. and finally by right clicking and choosing shade auto smooth, we reach the desired and suitable appearance.